make a beef stir fry today. I have 3/4 pounds of flank steak here. You can use skirt, you can use any piece of beef that you want. You can also use chicken for this recipe if you prefer. This is super flexible and easy. We're just gonna cut it against the grain. So we're gonna sprinkle some cornstarch or corn flour on this. Let's call it a tablespoon. Some pepper. And a little bit of salt. Don't go overboard with the salt because we're putting soy sauce in our sauce. Now we're gonna get our sauce ready. So we're gonna pour a 1/3 cup of soy sauce in here. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use apple cider. That's a good substitute. I'm gonna put a few drops of sesame oil in here, but not much. I just don't wanna overpower it, okay? And you can add a tablespoon of brown sugar to this. I don't wanna put any sugar in it, so I'm not going to. And then add another tablespoon of cornstarch. And we mix well. We set that aside. So today, these are the vegetables that I have available, and this is what I'm gonna use. You can use other things, we'll talk about it in a minute. So I'm using some celery. I took out the stringy part and just cut it in diagonal. I have 2 stalks. I have a little bit of asparagus. I took the hard end off. You know, you could cut this in half if you wanted. I'll leave it like this. I have broccolini, and as you can see, this has little flowers on it already. Delicious. I'm gonna cook them. These are really good to eat, by the way. I just cut the stem off the flowers here. And I have some carrots, couple carrots peeled and, you know, sliced, like messy julienne. You can use bell peppers, red, green, yellow. You can use bokchoy. You can use Napa cabbage. You can use broccoli, just plain broccoli. Snap peas, snow peas. So very versatile. For our base, in here we have about a tablespoon of ginger, minced. You can't really see it. And then like 4 large garlic cloves minced, 2 scallions that are chopped, and half a jalapeno. If you don't have scallion, use onion. We need to work in a really hot pan. I'm going to add a high smoke oil to this. You can use vegetable, peanut, avocado, but don't use olive oil, okay? It needs to be able to smoke well without going bad on you. All right, we want our oil to be really, really hot. And now we're gonna cook the beef. Now that this is pre-cooked, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl. Add a tiny bit more oil. We're gonna put that base that we saw. By the way, the jalapeno is optional as always. We're gonna cook this for a few minutes until everything is nice and softened. Now our veggies. And we want these to cook, but we don't want them to get, you know, soggy. We're gonna return the beef. And we're gonna pour our sauce over this. We want this to finish cooking, and we want that sauce to thicken a bit. And that is it. Look at all those beautiful colors in there. We turn it off and we serve. So let's taste this. This is very good. The vegetables are crisp. They're cooked, but they're crisp, which is what I wanted. They're not soggy. The beef is super soft. Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on that notification button so that you'll get notified when we get new videos. If you like this, please give me a like and share this video. I'll see you soon.